So I want to apologize for making this video today. Yesterday I was quite busy. That's why I didn't make the video. So I'm making this video on the Sunday morning. As I make this video, you hear the background sound. It's coming from a church behind this house. So let's dive into today's section. Normally we always check the news event from last week or the previous week, whatever. So on Monday we had Donald Trump speak. Tuesday, no news. Wednesday, no news. On Thursday, we had our unemployment claim, which was negative. You get because this unemployment claim need to have a lesser output or lesser data because the let me check. Yeah, actual less than the forecast is good for a currency, and now the actual is greater, so that's bad for dollar. On Friday, we had Donald Trump speak and sorry, no. That was on Thursday. This is on Trump speak was on Thursday. Then on Friday, I remember vividly. It was positive and negative at the same time, right? The flash manufacturing PMI was positive, although it was revised, but it was still positive because the actual greater than the forecast is good for a currency. So now this is actual greater than the forecast, and this was the previous. But you can see on the other hand, the flash service PMI was negative. This is the forecast, this is the actual, and this is the previous. You can see it has a lesser data. So that's bad. And it was price. I was on the trade. Price took me out because there was a sell, then there was a buy at the same time. So it was more like consolidating, right? But obviously, it was just a profit that I made before. So it was not like it didn't touch my capital because I'm so sensitive to my money. Like in terms of risk management, this time around, I'm very, very. I'm paying attention to the kind of trade I take. Do you get? So I don't like overstress myself. From next week, no news on Monday. On Tuesday, we have consumer confidence. We have the interest rates on Wednesday. Uh, that's federal funds rates. Yeah. Then the FOMC statements. Then on Thursday, we have advanced GDP and unemployment claims. On Friday, what do we have? Friday, we have a core PCE price index and implement cost index. So let's see what will happen because I think we are like good event for next week. So now let's look at. Remember, I think on Wednesday it was negative to dollar, right? Do we check? Okay, Wednesday was no news on Thursday, so it was negative. And let's look at the charts. Let me start with DXY Wednesday. Okay, sorry, that's on the daily time frame. Now, remember this zone that we were looking at, right? Now, price, I think on the weekly time frame, price was reacting on this favorable gap. I think price is about to sell right now. Yo, finally we are here. You see the low taken out. I think we close below the low. So now this is price telling you that we're about to sell. So yeah, 4 hours. I was skeptical I would be so in volume imbalance, but I think because I was looking at good DXY need to come up or something like that. But neither did I know that this was a week, this was the week, this was the week few. So you can see we've done the business here. But I was just looking at this whole zone. I never knew that price has done the feeling already. But who knows? They might still come back. But I don't. For me, I don't think. I just still be looking for new recent favor value gap or whatever. So on Thursday and Thursday and Thursday and Thursday and Thursday and Thursday. Wednesday. Okay, yeah. You can see on Thursday, which was negative, see price started selling, reacting on this volume imbalance, started selling. Ever since then, price has been selling. So you can see the impact. the news to the technical analysis, right? So, like I said, remember when I said for price to give me a clear change of character, I need to see price close below this low, which they've done it. I mean, so what else am I looking for again? Is to sell. Yeah, that's it for DXO. I don't want to waste much time on the video because currently I'm just in a market change of character, which is giving me a clear bearish pattern because we have series of lower highs and lower lows now forming. So that's it for DXY. Let's move on to gold. Gold is bullish. Remember on the video I said BTC, NAS 100, gold, they are bullish. Team bullish now. As of last week, remember when I talked about this zone here, price data came back. Though it didn't tap fully, but I think he swept this guy here. Like tiny few pips, then started moving. And this was the zone I was looking to buy as of last week, last week, because this is Sunday. It's a new week, the last 2 weeks. So yeah, so I was expecting the price to come to this zone before buying, right? But I ended up taking my buy here, which I was swept out. Now, which price that came, did then because price didn't tap this my zone, so I was still hoping for price to get this zone. But now look at how many pips we've seen of what I was given. So sometimes it's just go with the flow, sha. So if you do maybe if you're not clear with this whole stuff, then you move on to another pair because gold was not giving me what I need. So I moved on to BTC, but I'll get there. So yeah, now gold is giving me a bullish vibe. Yeah. So next week I'm just that's why I do this fair value gap. I'm just hoping for price to get into this zone, then maybe look for a continuation. Uh, this fair value gap also. Okay, let's still map this stuff. Although this guy has tapped this one, I explained this kind of fair value gap fill on the previous video. But let's see. Never can tell. We're still on the manipulation phase because this is just January. Anything can happen. So let me just still draw this stuff so that any if I see gold selling, I know okay they are heading somewhere. Okay, yeah, that's for gold. Still team bullish, like I said. Okay. Look on the 4 hours, they've done the filling here. So this is my guy, Sha. This is my guy because still my moving average has like, crossed this zone here. So this is my guy looking for price to get in this zone and to for then continuation. But if price start to sell, maybe I'm looking to buy here or I don't know until let's see let's see the price action of this week, Sha. I don't want to force anything this year. All right. So that's it for gold. I'm still seeing bullish. Look, I see break of structure, break of structure. This is a recent break of structure. That's what I'm looking for. The, uh, to buy at that zone. Let me draw my. Okay. Okay, 62%. Okay. Maybe we'll work with this guy. This other block here. So that's it for gold. Nasondre. I don't know. Like ever see I think I'll bring my US 30 back because I don't know. I'm just having this feeling with Nasondre. I don't know. Ever since I put this guy on my watch list, I've not taken any trade before. But I think I've taken a trade on like most times on US 30. But because of somebody said Nasondre has a clean price action, that's why I was just like, okay, let me leave US 30 and put this guy. But ever since then, not taking any trade. I don't know. Maybe this week, Sha, I'll just look for something. Because I don't want to force anything. Because if I swear, sorry, I'm using it. But if I don't see any trade on Nasonde this week, I'm taking this shit out. Bringing back, um, I'm bringing back US 30. That's my guy. 'Cause that's my guy. Okay. This I drew this stuff before. I set an alert. I set an alert here. That's if half of the imbalance, but price never came. You just tapped on the fair value and started moving. You can see inducement created, swept, move, inducement, swept. Like this pattern, just so clean that you don't need anything else. Just look for your recent order block, right? Look for an inducement, then you're taking the trade. Like for next week now, who knows? Like this thing might just start buying from here. Yeah, because except they are to sell down to this guy, but I don't think, because let's check on 4 hours. If you can still see that fair value there. Okay, still there. But remember I said you can still feel on the left side, right? So you can see, let's bring this stuff down. So there's not too much gap from, that's why this guy just came on top here. So there's not too much gap here to get. So yeah, this fair value gap has been filled. Right. So mitigation. Although this guy never closed above this, but let's just see what happens next week. If there's going to be a continuation to the upside. So that's it for US 30 mass 100. So next week I'm expecting maybe a buy continuation just like this, a continuation. Yeah, let's go to my final, the BTC. Oh, see this guy. I don't know what BTC is doing. I swear. BTC gave me, what was the first trade I took? Okay, I took a buy. Yeah, right. I think I've forgotten. I think I need to check my journal later. I think it was this guy. Yeah, it was this guy. Right. Yeah, it was. No, no. I think it was this guy. Because look, my alert is there. It was this guy. I took the buy. So I was BTC was not giving me one kind of weird pattern. So I had to close. I think there was news then. Yeah. It was this price pushed up. I was in this buy. I was on this buy, right? Rather. So we had a clear push to the upside. So I was expecting price, okay, since we're moving up, and I'll take this guy. Do you get? So I was not seeing price moving towards my entry, and this was a large volume candle. It was coming drastically, like, so I had to close. Now you can imagine price attack went back up. Now I even took this guy. Do you get? So on this was on Saturday. I think Friday evening, Saturday, sha. Yeah, Saturday. This was on Saturday. See, it was Friday evening, then Saturday. Bro wasted my whole time. Remember on the, I think I said on the video that PTC gave me a profit, then later took it. So this was the sell. I was on this sell, gave me like little profit, then straight to my SL. Can see, because maybe because of, I don't know, the broker, but I'm not on this trade anymore. It's going to be painful if BTC sell. Like, imagine, just imagine, what is this? Look, just, I don't know, there's a few pips or what. If this in sell is going to be painful, just at least let me know that, okay, I'm not correct, and continue the back. So yeah, so that's it for this. That's my outlook for this week, right? Okay, sorry, I've not given any bias for BTC. I don't see anything here because BTC has been consolidating. You can imagine, and this was yeah. This was for last week, so you can imagine we were currently at that zone. We're just consolidating. So I don't know their plans. I don't know what BTC is trying to do or what Donald Trump is trying to. I don't know, to be honest. So next week To be honest, I do not know. I don't want to give any wrong bias. You can see now, price is just consolidating. So how am I supposed to know uh, the outlook for next week or what BTC is trying to do? Like, nothing is happening here. It's just taking out buy side liquidity on sell side, and that's it, right? So now let me look on the higher time frame and see what others are trying to do. Let's go on weekly time frame. You can see price is giving me a continuation pattern on the weekly, close with a bullish candle. That's 100. So I'm still team bullish on that's 100 because obviously we're having a rejection on GXY. Um, Same thing on BTC if you look on the weekly time frame, and same thing on gold. You can see gold is giving a clear bullish candle. We are almost at the all-time high, right? So let's see for next week. I think this week is going to be very bullish. This week, right? You can see the continuation. Like imagine, and we all saw this guy. See how many pips price has given. No, this year I don't want to waste uh pips anymore. I don't want to just you remember why I didn't take any of this shit because I was not trading at that particular time because that was early January. You can see. So what for this year, my I think I'm going to hold trade for long. My goal is to hold trade for like a month. So and I'm going to hold gold, right? So any because once price breaks this all time high, so obviously they are going to create a new high again. So just know that if you catch this buy here and when price break this guy, obviously they are targeting a new high and they are going to create a new high. So maybe now for retracement, then you are still going to break the new all time high. So just know that once you hold this trade here, maybe you can hold for like 2 weeks or something. So next week I'm going to look for possible ways to be on the gold and I'm going to swing it. So let's see what will happen next. I say next week, this week, sorry. Same thing now Sandra. So this is a good trade to hold since we have not taken the all-time high, right? So just look for buys around this zone, right? So once you have a new high, you already save. So please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Anything you will need to do to make this YouTube channel grow, please help your guy and help you. Let's help let's help each other move on. So thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Stay safe and stay blessed.